I'ma head out then.
I'm in repeat, I flip the shit, I'm into shit, I spit legit, I spit the hits, I'm Mr. 66 King, they call me this, I'm winning this, I'm all I got the hitters, and they call them cause they're looking for a show. Or it to me. When I fucking run the mastermind and club, like we biting up. We high and climbing thoughts to say I'm up. Let them biting up. I don't wanna hit. You don't run the scene. Never took it. I just love dick. My boy baby's cat. After every night. Sitting in the trap. Clean up all the air. I'll be chasing bags and I'm talking about the money, not the coke. What am I to do if you already knew that on the go? Cause it's obvious and we have got a lot of.
What you running in here?
Got some nice shade threes, some salt dates. We got 3.5 hours of roto.
Your car built, right?
This shade.
What is this thing right here?
That's my RPM.
Well, you can use it. I don't think it's in a few vehicles. I was wondering what it was.
Yeah, that's basically, that's your RPM.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.